So, good day, Mr. Dorado. I am Brent De Betonio together with Nash Isaac Rojas. So, the website that we made is a big bike website or big bike showcase website. And the purpose of this website is to showcase premium big bikes, motorcycle parts, and services. It's designed like a product and service page for a motorcycle business, a one-stop platform for riders who want performance, style, and quality. So we chose this Timpo because we are interested in motorcycles and wanted to make a professional-looking website that reflects that passion. So Nash Isaac Ross po will explain further.
Ah, one of the tags that we use is header po. Ayan, kita nyo naman po yung header is, ayan po, ginamit po namin siya sa top section of the page. Ayan po yung Moto Edge na logo and yung navigation links. Second is yung nav, which is yung nagde-define ng navigation para makapag-navigate sa site. And third is section, which is the content po, like yung mga product gallery and service details. And fourth is figure and fig caption. Ginamit naman po namin yon in a product gallery to display image with caption underneath. Yan, katulad po nan. May Yamaha MT-10, then, yun nga po. And lastly is the footer. Yung naman po is yung nagde-define po ng bottom section of page. Yan, yung 2025 Motor Rev Garage.
So that is all for our presentation. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoy us presentation.
Thank you, thank you.
That's not all, no?